Hi everybody, hope you all are doing good. It's your friend, it's your brother Frank. Um, Hope you're taking good care of yourself and hope you're having a nice time wherever you are. And thanks for coming back on my video. Thanks for liking the video for those who did like the video. Thanks for liking it. I really do appreciate. Thanks for coming back to the channel to watch more of my videos. And for those who are really interested in what I'm doing, please do subscribe so you can have more videos like this, and also click on the notification bell so that whenever I post a new video, you can get notified. All right, so I will just go straight into the issue of today. I really want to share uh, this strategy. Is a very common one, but it looks a little bit challenging. I know a lot of people have heard about the head and shoulder pattern, treating the head and shoulder pattern, and sorry guys, before I move on, my videos have been a lot of my videos on YouTube never had the comment sections were blocked. Okay, so but now the comment sections will be opened. I think I was mistakenly posting the video under kids, right? So the comment sections were kind of blocked. I'm very sorry about that. I'm very sorry about that. So I'll keep the comment section open, by posting it under the adult profile. All right, such that everyone can comment on the video. All right, let's move on. The head and shoulder pattern is one of those reversal pattern that I really do enjoy trading. On my last video, I showed how we can take the head and shoulder pattern after realizing a higher high and a higher low. I'm sorry, still early in the morning. I just wanted to make this video before leaving the house. Okay, so the head and shoulder pattern, we can do the head and shoulder pattern after finding the higher highs and the higher low, higher highs, higher low, or lower low, lower high. That's to find a trend after you find the trend. But okay, now for the head and shoulder pattern itself, right? Trading the head and shoulder pattern itself, we all know that we have to trade the head and shoulder pattern after the neckline. After the neckline. So yeah, we might jump in maybe before, but it's a little bit risky. If you know exactly what you're doing, some people use this moving average, right? Some people use this moving average. Like I will show you some couple of examples here. Some people use this moving average. Like the moving average can cross somewhere here. Let's say if you have one like this, the moving average can cross somewhere here, right? And you can jump into. Uh, I want to go to. I want to go to some place where I can get a clean head and shoulder pattern, so I can show you clearly what I'm trying to say. Good head and shoulder pattern. Okay. Hmm. Please, just a moment, okay? Let me get a good head and shoulder. I haven't gone through the market today. It's Sunday, the 25th, right, of April. I haven't gone through the market myself, so I'm just kind of doing this impromptu. But I won't share this idea such that somebody can benefit from it. So while we are going to look for a good head and shoulder pattern, let me just explain to you what is at hand. So we all know that for the head and shoulder pattern, it is good to jump after the neck after the market breaks through the neckline, right? After the market, like if this is a head and shoulder pattern, like here, like this one, right? This is the head and the two shoulder, right? Two shoulder, one, two here. The market comes down, it breaks through the neckline. This is the neckline here, crossing between this and this, right? This point and this point. So we draw the neckline, right? Crossing through this neckline, right? So usually at times we might we might see the neckline as being a little bit too far, or maybe not being able to enjoy this little profit from here, going right down to the neckline. Or at times the market may go just a little bit beyond the neckline and maybe make a reverse, all right. Some people face that challenges. So what I'm proposing is that you can use this zone indicator, right? This support and resistance zone indicator. This support and resistance zone indicator will help you to tell you where the market, that's the movement of the market, uh, 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 that's how far the market will go before the pattern ends, right? So let's say if this is the head and shoulder, which it is a head and shoulder, and the market breaks out from here, from this neckline, you see there is no resistance here. There is no resistance here, right? There's no resistance. It's virtually free. It's like a runway, right? There is no resistance here. From here to here is virtually free. It's like the market is going into a highway, right? So you can, after this breakout, you can actually ride this market confidently from here right down here. But not all head and shoulder is going to have this same free way to run. So this zone indicator actually tells you that this market will run freely within this point from here to here. So we are sure that after this breakout, we are going to make some money, because at times you take the breakout. If you have been trading head and shoulder, you take the breakout and the breakout doesn't really go to the extent that you have been expecting, right? Some people really feel bad about that. That's why you see some will say the head and shoulder pattern is kind of a little bit difficult to trade, and it jump into another part. Yeah, it's up to you. It's up to you actually. But I think it's also good to learn the pattern from somebody who trade it well and who knows how to trade. Yeah, yeah, who knows how to trade, who knows the technique behind trading the head and shoulder pattern. Yeah. And I tell you, every single pattern in the market, we don't need to master everything, right? The market doesn't need us to master like everything before we become good traders, right? All we need is just one strategy. That's all traders need. Every trader has their one strategy, one single strategy that makes them money. And that's all you need. That's all you need. If you know the market will move from point A to point B with your strategy, and you are confident about that, and it actually happens, that's all you need in the market. You don't need a super strategy for you to start making money from the market, right? So if you know this market, after breaking up from this neckline, will move from point A to point B, and you can repeat this same scenario all the time. You can repeat this same scenario all the time. You can find this kind of trade where after the breakout from the neckline, there is a free runway for your trade to run. At least to an extent, where this market is going to land, right? If this market breaks out here, where it's going to land somewhere on this resistance point here. Here. You see here it's very free, right? It's free. It's going to land somewhere here. That's all you need. So we can repeat this same scenario again and again and again and again. And let's see how it works. Okay, let's go through the charts together. Okay, here we have a head. For those who don't know, this is NDFX Snatcher. I would recommend everyone to get this indicator. It is superb. It's superb. It's a wonderful indicator. That's for the head and shoulder. You just see the market making the head and shoulder. That's you don't need to second guess what's happening, you know, and maybe to even wonder if what you are looking at is a head and shoulder or not. The market spells it out for you. Yeah, it spells it out for you with this indicator, with the snatcher. This is the snatcher. The yellow ones is the indicator snatcher, and the trend direction, emitter trend direction. Just get this indicator, guys. Just get this indicator. Yeah, some will say, okay, I like to trade the naked chart and stuff like that. Yes, the naked chart is good. It's good. Um, I won't. There are a lot of traders who trade the naked chart. But I tell you, there are some points where uh, 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 it's good to have a second opinion. It's never bad to have a second opinion about something. Yes, I may take off all these indicators and say, okay, I want to trade my naked chart. Okay, I will trade my naked chart, obviously. But what is wrong to have that second confirmation that okay, yeah, what you are seeing is actually what it is. Okay, so it's just a further confirmation that tells you that because the indicate it is this is the bad thing about using indicators is when you make the indicators like your like your first option of trading, right? It is not the first option. The first option is the chart itself, right? Is the market movement, is the market structure itself. Now the indicator now comes in now as as a confirmation of what you are already thinking about, right? Like here, you can see the market came here, forms a head, and I'm waiting for a second shoulder here. This is the first shoulder here. I'm waiting for a second shoulder here. Even without these indicators, it is clear that it is a head and shoulder. But for those who are still trying to understand market structure and to come up with all this stuff, guys, this indicator is for you. Yeah. So you can see this is the head, right? The head, which is colored light blue, and you see the two shoulder maybe on Monday or on Tuesday. You see this shoulder popping up here, and the market will come down to this neckline. And we know when the market breaks this neckline, where is the first resistance that the market is going to face? The market will face the first resistance here at this point here. And before it faces that resistance, it will give you about 60 pips. Now, if the market doesn't go back, doesn't retrace back, and it breaks through this resistance, then we are looking forward to the next resistance here, which is 142 pips, right? And all these points of resistance of support, all these points of support is being drawn automatically by the support and resistance zone indicator. How easy trading can ever be. How easy trading can ever be. Now let's look at more of these charts. I really want to like make the market as 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 simple as as possible, because even in the midst of all those in the midst of chaos, I tell you there is an order in the market. Now look at this. This is a head and shoulder. This is a head and shoulder. I can see it already. This is a head, two shoulder here, two shoulder here. So we can draw our neckline somewhere here. But you know why I'm not going to take this trade, right? I won't. I wouldn't take this trade. It's very obvious. There is a resistance here. Sorry, there is support here. Why I usually say resistance, it's like something is going to resist the trade from going into this direction. Something is going to resist it, right? Yeah, something is going to resist. So, but I can also use the word support, right? So there is support here, as seen here. There is support here, support here, support here. So this trade it will go down. Yeah, it will go down because the the trend direction is showing the market is going to go down, but it will go down with some kind of difficulty, right? To go down with some kind of difficulty. Yeah. And this is really not what we want, right? This is really not what we want. We want something that will go down with ease, right? Okay, here, this is a head, first shoulder, a second shoulder will pop up here very soon, right? And when we have this break through the neckline, this is the neckline here, we have this break through the neckline, we have this room here to trade this market from here to here. That's 70 pips. This is a very strong resistance here. It's very strong resistance here. You can look at it 1, 2, 3, and more. The market just drew the resistance there. So it will be difficult to say this market is going to like break through that and not, you know. Yeah, it can break through it, but yeah, it's best to calculate from here to here, right? To here. So after the breakout, we know where we can range our trade, right? Just okay. Market breaks out here, we're expecting up here. Boom. 75 pips. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's move to another one. Okay, like I told you, I haven't done this. I haven't checked the market. I'm just like doing it together with you. Okay, so if this is my head and shoulder, right? My neckline, I draw my neckline somewhere here. I don't think I'm going to take this trade, right? Because if you have to break this neckline, break this resistance here, then maybe if you it's really you know what not worth taking, right? There are many other trades in the market. There's a lot of obstacles there, so we kind of just let it be. Look for a good head and shoulder, nice head and shoulder. Right. Yeah, I can see here. No, no. Okay, let's move to the next one. So what we usually do is, please, if you can't find a good trade, just be patient and wait for the next setup. Okay, so we're going to go through this. Okay. Here, no. Here. No, this is not a good and so this is too slanted, right? It's too slanted. So let's see. Mm, no. Okay. Oh yes, we have a clean picture. All right. So you can see we have a good, clean, nice head and shoulder here. Okay, so we draw our neckline. Boom. Draw a neckline. It's as simple as ABC. Draw a neckline. And where are we expecting this market to go? This market, after the breakout, it has a clean runway. After the breakout, it have a clean runway. The breakout will occur somewhere here. You see the candle pass through here. It's already moving so fast, right? You see that, and that's good. When it breaks out here, boom, we're expecting it to go right down here to the next support, right? Right down to the next support. Yeah, yeah. So when we jump in here, we can the market may maybe want to like move a little bit up or something, but I tell you, just hold your trade after the breakout, just hold your trade and it's going to move down. Yeah. That's why I asked for everybody to keep a 1,000 pip range such that let's just say, assuming that you have $100 in your account, $100. So for you to maintain a 1,000 pip range, you will need to trade 0.01, right? 0.01 here, and after the breakout, the market like goes a little bit up. That will be $2. You'll be losing $2, right? Even if it goes right up here, you're losing about $3, and it starts to go down, right? At the end of the day, you are making $7, right? At the end of the day, you're making $7 because you know where the market is going. You're making $7 after the breakout. You're making $7. No matter what it does, even if like place around here, you are making $7. Yeah, at the end of the day, you're making $7. Okay, so that's cool. That's cool. So the market we can't no one can say that okay the market will just break out here and start just run through here just maybe like 1 2 3 candles and it's already done here. No, it doesn't happen that way, right? So you just let the market do its thing. If you want to like have a short candles like 20 short candles, just let the market do its thing. But you know exactly where the market is going, right? After the breakout, you know where it's going. You just wait and let it do its thing and gives you the money. That's all you're interested in. Yeah, okay. Just let the market do its thing and you know you get the money at the end of the day. Okay, so let's look at I think I'm going to look into this trade. Okay, I think I'm going to take this trade by Monday. I hope so because it's 1 hour. So by Monday, probably I should be taking this trade. So I'll just put it somewhere here. So let's go to the next one. TP USD. Okay, let's see if we can have something. Yeah, if this is a head and shoulder, oh, it's too slanted. Okay, we want something. This is a head and shoulder probably, but this too slanted for my liking. Okay, I want you just need something. Okay, let's look at something different. Usually, I like to treat the head and shoulder when both both uh, both necklines, I mean, the neckline is more horizontal. Okay. Let's see. This, even if it breaks here, even if it breaks through the midline, you have a lot of challenges here, right? So keep that aside and move to the next one, right? Move to the next one. It looks like what we want. So here. So this was a head and shoulder. It looks like a head and shoulder, but it was really slanted. You see why I really don't enjoy treating the slanted head and shoulders, right? It was really slanted. So actually breakthrough, right? Breakthrough, and if you jump here, the market will come here and will retest before now going down, you know, kind of. So, but I really don't trade this like this your slanted head and shoulder. Okay, so here you can trade this wait after the market breaks through this, right? Breaks through this, you can trade this down. Okay, okay, let's see if we can have a clean that shoulder. A nice, beautiful runway. Clean head and shoulder with a nice runway. Let's check. Okay. 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 If this is going to give a head and shoulder, here like the head, shoulder, shoulder. Yeah, it's still really slanted. I would love it to always be like something like this, right? Where these two bottoms hit one and the next one here, right? And then move up and then we have a breakout here. This is better, right? Rather than having this, right? Or having it like this is too slanted for my life. Right? I like something that so when the so when the market is when the neckline is this way, it shows that the market is kind of balanced, right? It shows that the market is kind of balanced and it's ready to take a clean downward movement or maybe a clean upward movement in the case of the market going up, right? So, but having it slanted is not really, it's not really what I want. So, but I'm going to go through the market. Okay, we're going to go through the market together and we'll see if we can find something good for next week based on this head and shoulders. Okay, find something good. That would be nice. Yeah, a lot of people are waiting for this trade. If you don't know, it's USD. It's forming like three touches here, boom, boom, boom. But the third one is not yet complete, right? So don't rush in now. The third one is not complete, right? Boom, boom, boom. Then there will be kind of, but like I said, after the first, second, and third, you just wait for a good head and shoulder. Then you can take the market down, right? Okay. So let's see. Some people jumped into this already when the market was somewhere there. Right. I have some friends who like showed me already and say, yeah, the market is bouncing twice. But to me, I said no because if you look at in this detail here, I put this on. You go to the weekly, look at it. You see that brown, brown, purple. But the next purple is not yet here. is not there. So you might see it as if it is complete, as if the retracement is complete, but it's not complete. Yeah, some people don't know that, but if you're using indicators like this, if you're trading a naked chart, you might probably think that okay, it's time for the market to go back down and jump in with the sell. But a little bit of more information and confirmation doesn't hurt, right? So you just add this indicator and you can see for yourself that the market is not yet ready to go down, right? It's going to move up a little bit more. Then when you see the purple, it will tell you, okay, it's good now. You can wait for a head and shoulder, right? Then you jump in. That's cool. Sorry guys, my connection had a little issue. Okay, let's go back to our share screen. All right, so you can actually do that. So let's look for more. Head and shoulder. Head and shoulder with a clean runway, right? Let's look at it. No, we don't have any there. To the other. Okay. Okay, this is a head and shoulder. This will form a head and shoulder here. The 1 hour. Boom, boom, boom. This one will go up. Give you the next shoulder. The next shoulder will be somewhere here, right? Somewhere here, or maybe here. Then we wait for the breakout at this neckline. So the market will like do like this, boom, and then coming down here. Wait for the market to break through this neckline, right? Let me see how much. And here is clean runway. This may have about 126 pips. If it goes right to this bottom, about 139 pips, right? Because here is really free, right? There is no support down here, so you can just rush down. So we're looking towards that. Okay, looking towards that. So let's see. Can get good, head and shoulder. Head and shoulder with a clean runway. Here, this is on the weekly. It's going to be not now, but I want to show you this. So I'm going to bounce here, boom, break through the neckline. And when we do break through the neckline, you know how far this market is going to go. That'll be close about 2,000 pips. Yeah, about 2,000. But this is on the weekly, right? So you really have to be patient, extremely patient to take that trade. You really have to exercise some patience. Some people are not that patient. So if you know you are not, don't take the trade. Stay out of it. You can stick with your 1 hour or 4 hours. If you know you're not that patient to wait. Like you see this was good stuff, right? Head and shoulder to break out. Even though the market went in again, back in here. You see, but it went back in after it had this support here. Went back in, but I tell you, it will not go beyond. Okay, this is just market movement. As I told you, the market moves ups and down, up and down, up and down. Even if it's going down, it goes in this zigzag motion, right? So usually it's difficult in the market to just move from straight down, you know. But it does it does happens occasionally, right, where the market just moves straight down, like here after the head and shoulder. That is it. The clean runway. The market just moves straight up. That is straight up, right? And give the money. Here it came installed and then breaks here. Yeah, so trading the head and shoulder is a cool part. Yeah, I just want to analyze this market with you guys. I think this is my head and shoulder analysis for this week. Yeah, so I think we have about some few trades that we are really expecting. Okay. Yeah, so if this man breaks here, it will run right up here, but it's not a head and shoulder as I want it. You know, if you draw that neckline there, right? If it breaks here, it will run through, right? But that's not the kind of head and shoulder I want to trade. I want us to trade. Okay. So we can't find it. It would be nice if this man can come here and then retrace up here, like, you know, coming here, coming right down here, right, to fall on, to give a kind of a horizontal neckline, and then bounces up here, right? Bounces up here, and then come back down to break here. That'll be cool. That'll be cool, right? That'll be cool. So we'll just wait and see what's going to happen. Let the market tell us what's going to happen. Okay. So let's go to the next currency pair and see. Okay. This looks good. Okay. So here we go. This is not too slanted, right? It's just kind of a little bit horizontal, right? So we have our neckline there. It's clean neckline, beautiful. So we have our head and two shoulder, and the market will come here, break through here. This is already, the neckline is already under support, so we'll break through that support, right? It breaks through here, and we know what happens, right? The market runs from here to here. It's obvious. It's so clear, it's so clean, and when you jump into the trade, you know where the market is going, and you just wait for the money. That's the good thing about, you know. And I wouldn't encourage anyone, you know, trying to, like, you know, pick the trade here, like drawing a trend line, drawing a trend line here. Yeah, some people do this. They draw the trend line. After this break, immediately they try to. No. Anybody, you know, learning from me should not do that. Yeah, you might, if you have the 1, 2, 3, the 1, 2, 3, the 1 to 3 market movement. That's the market doing a higher high and a higher low, a higher high and a higher low, or lower low and lower high, showing a clean trend, right? After the first 2 green candles, you can jump in. But if you're just trading head and shoulder randomly in the market, you are just trading head and shoulder, this is what you should be doing. Wait for the neckline. Wait for the neckline. Yes, you might want to get something here, and you might feel like, okay, maybe this, if I can just jump just around here, I may have this extra pips here, about 70. No, 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 no. Please don't do that. Please don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. There is a reason why the person who came up with this says you should you should enter the trade at the neckline. There is a reason for that. That is because after the market goes through, right, after all this struggle, the market goes through here, right, it's trying to reverse. It's trying to reverse and change its course of action. After all this mumbo jumbo that the market is going to go through here, you are going to enjoy the process later, right? So you just let the market do its thing. Let the market do its thing. Some maybe might have guessed that, okay, this was the point where the market is going down, like one, two straight candles. This market is going down now. I can see it is going down. The volume is so high, it's going down, but it went back up. And at times, traders feel so tired about the market, especially when you've jumped in here, it goes down, went back up, and it looks like it's still going up even beyond your entry level. You just take the loss, right? Just stop the trade, take the loss, and it's very, very heartbreaking. Yeah, very, very heartbreaking. Please don't do that, okay? Don't do that. Jump in here at the neckline and don't be greedy. What you make from this market is okay. If you make 100 pips or 140 like here, it's okay. Take what the market has given you. All right, it's okay. Now it will not it's not just depend on your account size. If you have, let's say, $1,000 and you are trading $1, this is going to be 140, about $140. Just take it, right? Just take it. And imagine if you have such a trade 10 times, then you have doubled your money. Yeah, you have practically doubled your money if you have such a trade 10 times. If you in one trade you can make $100, then imagine in 10 times you have made double your money. Therefore, you have moved from 1,000 to $2,000 with 10 of this head and shoulder while you are respecting the neckline. Right? While you are respecting the neckline. So there is no need to be in a haste, like you really want to make that little extra pips from here, it's going to nail your account, brother. It's going to nail your account, man. Yeah. All right, please let's move on with the analysis. But we know, well, this is Euro AUD, right? Euro AUD. We're going to break out here and run down, okay? So let's move to the next one. And see. I have a template for the head and shoulder already prepared, so that's what I'm just using. I have a template here. Okay. So let's just see, look at the market together. This may come here. This may give us a good head and shoulder, but it's just 15 minutes. Some people trade the 15-minute time. So you may come here, bounce up here, boom, and break out here from the neckline between the 6 pips. So if we have this, then for those who are trading 15 pips, and you see here there's a resistance here, right? So we are hoping where I can say the market can bounce up here and move back, stuff like that. And then this will be the next resistance to move from here to here, okay, from this level to this level. Okay, so let's just look further what's going on. If we can find anything cool. Okay, I don't think there's anything now in the market in that way. Let's look at the next one. Okay. I can see something looks like a head and shoulder. I hope it is. I hope it is. All right. Yeah, it looks like a head and shoulder to me. Okay. Okay, if this second shoulder, if this boom, first shoulder, the second shoulder is not complete, but if it does, then have a breakout here at the neckline here. Okay, that'll be cool. All right. Now breakout here at the neckline here. That'll be cool. But on the bigger time frame, look at this. This would be a cool one. The daily time frame, right? Daily time frame. Daily time frame. So there is a breakout here. We're expecting the market to move straight up, right? Straight up. You can go right up here, or we can estimate it maybe on this second shoulder here. I say, okay, it will move right from here to here, right? That was 600 pips, right? Okay. And if you go to the weekly, you see a clean, beautiful head and shoulder here in the weekly time frame. But it's for those who are really ready to exercise patient, right? They're really ready to exercise patient, and you can see the gap between the neckline to the take profit, right? So that's it. From here, the market will jump in here, boom, breakout, boom, and you write it down. That's 1,163 pips. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Just jump in there and write it down there. It's a clean runway, right? It's a clean runway, nothing to obstruct you. You just move from here and move down here. Clean, perfect. But this is on the weekly time frame, so if you have the patience to wait, okay, that's cool. But if you don't trade it, okay? So here I'm waiting for the market to break this neckline to move up. Or here, the market can break from here, boom, and come right here. Okay. So it's just, let's just wait and see what the market is going to give us. One of the most important thing in the market is not even the clicking the buy or the sell, it's waiting for the right moment. It's one of the key stuff in the market, right? So here is, if this is a head and shoulder, then we wait for the market to break this neckline. Okay. But I'm thinking that after it breaks the neckline, there is a resistance here. It's going to be market can move from here to here. Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. Move from here to here. It's possible. Yeah, but this is a little bit too slanted, right? A little bit too slanted. Okay. Okay. Oh, the weekly again. Yeah, it's beautiful. Horizontal here, almost horizontal here. This is beautiful. Yeah, neckline, and you break. After this breakthrough here from the weekly, after this breakout here, market will run through here, and here that will give us 1,000. Oh, the weekly is so good. The pips are so good. 1,472 pips. It's awesome. But it requires a lot of patience, guys. It requires a lot of patience. Okay, let's put our head and shoulder. Okay. So let's see. Wait for shoulder. The neckline, okay, neckline here. Wait for the market to go bounce off here. Then we'll have some kind of a break here. and we'll see how the market is already experiencing some kind of little bit of resistance here. So I don't think this would be our first option. Okay. So anyway, let's just try to analyze on the other time frames and see. Okay. Yeah, me bounce and break through here and goes up. Okay. It's possible, right? This may bounce and go up after the breaking of the neckline. Okay. All right. Let's look at something else. Ooh. Okay. This may give a good clean head and shoulder. 4 hour. Okay. I love this. It's horizontal. It's beautiful. Horizontal. I love this. I love this one. I love this one. Okay. See the two last touches in the on the bottom of the head and shoulder. It's horizontal, right? This is beautiful, right? This is what we really want. This kind of stuff, right? So it's going to go up here. Let's hope that the next shoulder will be formed somewhere here and will start going down. So after the break of this neckline, we know the next area of support is here. We are looking forward to 111 pips. Yeah, we're looking forward to that. 111 pips from here to here. Right. Beautiful. Beautiful. That's good. Okay. Now let's look at the next one. Okay. Let's look at the next one. I think this should be one of the longest videos I've made so far. I really never wanted to stay this long, but I just keep enjoying, analyzing the market, and it's just so cool, with the head and shoulders. So let's see. After this breakout here, boom, the market can go right up. It's possible, right? After this breakout, you can expect the market to go right up here, right? Let's see further what's happening. Okay, not much. So we can just hope for that. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. This can be a cool head and shoulder in 30 minutes, right? Cool head and shoulder. It's even slanting downward. Beautiful. Slanting downward, but not that much. Slanting downward. So wait for the market to go give us the next shoulder here. Then the breakout here. Breakout here. Boom. I will write it down. That will be 50, close about 50 pips. 50 pips, right? Here and the breakout here. Boom. Close to about 50 pips. That would be so cool. 50 pips. So that's it, brothers. And that's guys. So we are done analyzing the currency pairs, but you can do this on indices, right? And every other market is just so cool, right? And it makes trading so easy. So this is what I really want to show you guys. If you feel connected to such method of trading, and you really want to get a hold of these indicators and maybe even trade along, we can trade together. Everything is possible nowadays with technology. We can trade together. You watching my screen and stuff like that, and we can do great stuff together. Okay. So if you feel like this kind of trading is for you, just click on the like button, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. And I'm looking forward to have you in the next video. All right. Okay, guys, take good care of yourself, and make sure you stay safe. All right. I'm out.